Hi guys, and today we're doing fidget trading, so let's get started. Okay. I'm really looking for that dimple. What can I offer for it? Oh, and guys, by the way, sorry if Trey or our Bestie Hound is in the way. Okay.
Let's scoot closer to
Okay. What can I get for that dimple?
the simple dimple.
Yeah.
And I'll add to.
Okay. I'll give you this Winnie the Pooh squishmallow, and I will give you a tingle.
I want that dimple.
Okay.
And here.
Okay, deal. Okay. 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 What do you want to offer for this cat poppet?
The bracelet.
Okay, put it down. And add.
What?
Yeah, add. Deal. Okay. I'll offer for this triple simple dimple. Oh my gosh, I just see a bike chain thing over here. Okay. What are you gonna offer for that? Okay, you gotta put it down. And what are you gonna? I don't like this deal, so I decline. Okay. What do you want to offer for my bike chain? Deal. Okay. What do you want to offer for my?
I'll offer you this one. What will you give me? Because this is brand new.
Okay.
And it was a lot of money.
Okay. I'll give you a puzzle ball, a pop-it bracelet, and a tangle.
Add.
Okay. I will give you a marble mesh
Just add one more.
and a wacky track.
Except.
Yes! Okay.
How do we even work a puzzle ball?
Okay. What do you want to offer for my ice cream poppet?
I'll offer you this squishmallow.
Okay. Add. Deal.
I
Okay.
really want to sell this one, this bicycle track, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one.
Oh.
What will you offer?
Oh my
me?
gosh. Okay. I'll give you a butterfly poppet, a mini. Actually no. And I'll give you a.
I am really looking for is two dimples.
Okay. I'll give you this poppet, and I'll give you these two dimples.
Add one more.
And I'll give you a tangle.
Add.
Okay. I'll give you a Winnie the Pooh squishmallow.
Just add one more.
Oh my gosh! I only have 2 fidgets left. Okay, and I'll give you this mini. Actually, I'll just give you this heart poppet.
Yay.
Okay. What will you offer for this marble mesh? This is our last offer, by the way.
Why?
Because we're gonna end the video.
No.
Okay. I accept.
Okay. What can I offer for this heart pocket?
a mini poppet, a unicorn poppet, and is that it? Or you want me to add?
Add.
Okay.
2 more.
A wacky track and a monkey noodle.
Except.
I was giving that to you. Okay. Well, that's it for fidget trading. So I hope you like this video. And bye.
Bye, unicorn bubbles.